All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the latest edition of Voices of the Void. What version is this? This is 0.9.0, build A0990i. So this is the 2026 main version, I believe. It's the end of April when I'm recording this. And the main question here is, Larry, my windows are dirty, how do I clean them? So the simple answer is, you've got this lovely emergency shower, which we will never use correctly, and it comes with a sponge and some soap, which has a certain number of uses on it. The easiest way is to just hold R, so you're holding the sponge, and you can just click the water, and you can walk up, and you can start cleaning your windows. A lot of people will, like, throw it on the ground, and they'll grab it with E, and they'll try to, like, smear it across the glass. It does technically work, it just works really bad. So don't do that. Hold the sponge, clicky with the sponge. Now, the way that the sponge works better and faster, click the water, click the soap, and you can go over here with the now soaped up sponge, and look how fast that goes. Look at you, you're a cleaning machine now. Works on windows, and all sorts of other stuff, really. You can water that bad boy up, you can clean off the wall. The walls take a little bit longer. I will admit, they're a more gradual clean when you're cleaning like the grit and crud off the walls and the ceiling and the floor. But if you work at it, you'll notice that it's a really good and quick way to make your whole area not look like a homeless guy was in here vomiting. Or, well, me after I've been to a rave. So there you have it. Now, it's a lot easier with different equipment that you can buy that just speeds this whole process up, and you don't necessarily need to have soap. You can pick up a mop for 300 points. You don't need the mop bucket, don't waste your time. You can just use the bucket that you get for free. There's like a couple of them. One's in the janitor room, I think there's one upstairs, and there's one by the lake. You can also buy pressure washer, portable pressure washer for 500. It's the best way to do it. You just charge it in the, you just suck up water in the little emergency shower, and then you just spray things. This can short out panels, so be careful. Like if you get it on the back panel here, if you get any water on this, the whole thing will short out and you'll have to reset all the power. So be careful about that. The mop, you just dip it in the water and it just does a bigger area at a time. It's much more convenient. I would honestly save up for the pressure washer. It's worth it. So yeah, that's how you kind of clean stuff. If you want a secret, if you take this sponge upstairs and you go into your bathroom and you leave the sink on while you're washing, so you got a place to dip that spongerino. If you go inside of here, you get points for cleaning the shower, and you get points for cleaning the toilet. Free money, basically. It just takes forever. So yeah, keep that in mind. You can, turn this on. I think you actually need to bring a bucket up, and you can get water through here, but you can speed things up by using that free soap down there. Just don't stand on the soap because you'll slip and die. So there you have it. That's a little secret. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been a quick look at how to clean stuff. It's not terribly complicated, and there's a lot of stuff here to clean, so buy yourself a pressure washer. You'll thank me later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.